honey drops, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a style that I did so many years ago. If you came from my old channel, you may have seen this. I had tried this hairstyle some time ago and I figured like I want to try it again. So here we are. Now that my hair is growing out, I feel like I can really, do some hairstyles. So basically I did a Bantu knot mohawk. I did do cornrows at one point in time, but I really didn't feel like doing all that, and I did a curly mohawk. Now this is a braid and curl on the outer portion. If you want to recreate the style, you can do it however so you please. I did a braid and curl. You could do a twist out, you can do just all perm rods, it's really up to you. But this is a really easy hairstyle to do. You want to jazz up your hairstyle, but you don't quite know like how to do your hair, or you don't know what to do to your hair. This is so easy. You don't have to do any braiding, anything like that. I only use two products. I use the Doux Mousse. This has been a go-to of mine. I also use the Gorilla Snot. I normally use this on my edges and edges only, but I used it on my Bantu knots. For the takedown, I'm going to be using my Melanin Haircare Oil. I love this oil so much. It's good for the scalp and for your hair and your ends. But yeah, so if you guys are curious, you want to see how I created this hairstyle, then just keep on watching. So you guys, I shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I applied the As I Am Jamaican Black Castor Oil water and the Camille Rose Honey Hydrate leave-in in the shower. Go ahead and spray some water, and then I'm going to use the mousse from the Doux, and I'm going to just apply that all over my hair. But I want to show you guys the price tag because I think it retails for $15 at like Target and Walmart, but if you go to Marshall's, you should be able to find it for a cheaper price. So they have like all their products at Marshall's, just so you know. Their products are really amazing. So I'm using the Gorilla Glue as well to apply at the parting area to kind of like smooth my Bantu knots. I don't recommend using that. I normally only use it on my edges. I don't know why I put it in my scalp. I only said that because it was like concrete hard the next day. So if you don't like that much of a hold, you will not like that. But if you don't mind that, then sure, go ahead. So in order to do the Bantu knots, you can either do a 2-strand twist and then twist it around itself and make it a knot, or you can just twist it around your finger, kind of like a finger coil, and then twist it around and make a knot. So either way, it doesn't matter, especially if you're not going to unravel them the next day. It will not alter anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do some Bantu knots on both sides of my head, and then we are going to do the braid and curls on the remaining portion of my hair, the middle part. I love you, when my girl, you see, I will tell you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, your face is seeing why. Tears and night. Should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Friend. Now I'm being this. And again, no story can end without it. Damn. Apply some mousse, and I'm going to work in sections starting from the back of my head. It's up to you, like I said, on whether you want to do a braid and curl, if you want to do perm rods. I think perm rods will look so good with this hairstyle. Twist outs and braid outs, I feel like it provides like a more stretched look, And if you were to do perm rods, it would just provide a very, very pretty curl. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do braids or plaits all throughout the middle part of my head. And then I'm going to use some perm rods on the end of each plait to make it a braiding curl. To wrap my hair, I just use a scarf to keep the sides flat, and then I use my silk bonnet for the perm rods. And the next morning, my hair is literally completely dry. I've tried using the mousse during the day, and my hair is dry within 3 hours of using, so it doesn't really take that long for my hair to dry. And I have type 4 hair, I have very thick hair, so I feel like the thicker your hair, the longer it takes to dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel all of the perm rods, or take all the perm rods out of my hair. And then I'm going to use my Melanin Haircare multi-use hair oil, and I'm going to just apply that on my hands to reduce the frizz. And I'm just going to go ahead and take down each plait.
But you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, you face it.
I like to use the blow dryer at the root of my plaits or twists, because it just makes my hairstyle more stretched, and it makes it more bouncy. But I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat this step, and then I will see you guys towards the end. Alright guys, so that's all that I have for you guys today. I'm actually about to head out to work. I woke up like an hour early to make sure I can get this done. If you guys have any other recommendations, or you want to see any hairstyles, or if you want to review any products, hair products, I don't know if people still do that. Honestly, I don't know. Let me know what you guys like to see, and then I'll get that video out for you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a very blessed one. So I'll see you on the next one. So until then, peace to yours.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb, or blind. Won't sleep, be a bed of a last. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell